The award with nationally. Kwizwelonke.
Zitulele.
Like Zitulele. Man, how you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? I know when I'm talking it's old, but it's still new to us.
Yeah.
You know, police how you feeling?
Feeling good, feeling great. You know, it's better as if Luca, you know. So I live in Lagos. But this means we're working more. We're not stopping.
Yeah.
You know? That's what it means.
Yeah.
Okay, we're glad that the work is recognized, you know, globally. I appreciate the people for voting as well.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I know it's your talent. How are you planning to continue to serve people with your talent?
More music. We've got
That was a very quick interview.
Coming. I'm feeling more.
Hey, soft life. Soft life.
And we've got more music and Zitulele. I've got more relationships, you know, to work with.
To feature well.
Yeah. So.
Okay. Big up, man. Big up. We love it. We love it. Continue to inspire us. You are an inspiration. A whole entire hero. Cool. Ndeza kuthini sivele ngokunokwenu kuZuko SA kukhona ke asizanivuselela ngako phaya kuvimba umculo wakhe qiniseka nje wena ngokumlandela kumaqonga akhe onxibelelwano okunye ningakweleka kuxoxa xa kuthiwa do not despise humble beginnings, you first remove small stones before removing a mountain. Nebali lomntu mfondini ephuma phaya ke edutywa where I personally matriculated and I respect that place. I gained so much knowledge and experience there. Coming to Ichomam Ulu kudale khala ukuvela phangemva with an upcoming single ITHEMBA. Sani vili taste yayo. Yeah, I knew him to be honest before I knew even Uzuko. In fact, I knew Uzuko through him. Check his music out, guys. Yeah, he has a voice for decades. Tetanabo Experience upcoming event on the 20th of August. Check it out. Niyamazi mose usibumbageni yake uyawube eyinxalenye yayo. Ayakho mpoqo wena uyawuthi ugaxeleke nayo kulo umqhamsholo ndakuxelela ngoba yawube ibhexeshwa ndim itukeli ibadlileyo mfondini.
Molweni Zitulele. Guys, I'm inviting you all on the 20th of August. We're having an event that is happening as SIPS in Melbourne. It's free entrance. Just come with whoever that you want to come with. It's going to be a crazy one. Amazing event. Thank you.
My name is Zugo SA. I'm just confirming that I'm going to be supporting my friend Zitulele. You guys may know him on the song Ekumini. He's going to be doing an event at SIPS. So I'm going to be there supporting him. It's a free event, so we're going to be just having fun.
Hello folks, hope you're all fine guys. I'm well. I'm on the 20th of August. Let's go guys and support Zitulele SIPS, Melvin. Let's be there guys. Support song and support the big bro. Shalom.
An ecstatic moment of Tetanabo Experience. You don't want to miss it. On the 20th of August 2023 it's a SIPS Melville, but you're gonna experience waves of music. Don't miss it. Yes, that's vlogging.
Tetanabo Experience. So on the 20th of August.
Yeah.
Shalom, Baba.
Don't miss it.
Yeah, sizabe siba umbhexeshi ndim. Please. Okay, fam, before I leave you here, we're shooting pics for the cover of the upcoming single ITHEMBA by Zitulele featuring Lilitha Ntsundwani. You all better not say I do not plug you. Lou has a multimedia company. You're the best shooting our cover pics. I'll shoot a music video here too. Check it out and contact him, guys. Nazi pictures wayen photo zona. Yebona mos.
Lilitha. Nokuba zeziphi sibuyisela mva sivakalisa ithemba lokuya phambili nokuba ngawaphi abaqhina quvileyo sinxiba isikrweqe esingqinisisayo thina singamaqhawe asinakunqandwa nokuba ngawaphi amagingqigingqi isinxibe kwingceba sithi abasiyangqaba thola indlela zethu esingade sixhumise nto yinambula siqhiqhile Puma, la ngalolungiso somise kula miqhaqhozo hakazisa kula miqolomba sikuyo wambu ingubo yamabalo mayisambathe amahlaso asihlasele kungoku nje siyayibisha kumanyala babuqaqawuli masabele kumalanga
ITHEMBA. Hey guys, this is Zitulele. I'm with Lilitha Ntsundwani. We've recently worked on a song at ITHEMBA.
ITHEMBA, by the words of SEK Mqhayi, guys. Into zinkulu ITHEMBA, into zimnandi ITHEMBA, lento ITHEMBA iphilile, lento ITHEMBA isinzile. Expect a song that is reviving that very hope. Very soon would mean next month. Okay, you're on the lookout. You're on the lookout, guys.
Come and kill this.
As always. Uyintoni na umuntu siyintoni na isizwe ngaphandle kokholo kodwa luyintoni na ukholo ngaphandle kwethemba ngoba kaloku ukholo kukukholosa ngezinto othembele ngazo kungoko ke uzithulele esungule lengoma featuring Lilitha Ntsundwani ethi ITHEMBA. Expect it soon and very soon. Nto zinkulu ITHEMBA, nto zimnandi ITHEMBA, lento ilithemba iphilile, lento ilithemba izinzile sakusenziswa siphiliswe lithemba.
Amen.